Hello Year 3, I hope you're all having a good week. As I mentioned, we are going to start our long experiment looking into what exactly plants need to survive. And I'm going to be bold, I'm going to make a prediction that plants need water, air, light, and nutrients from the soil in order to grow. But as you know, we are all scientists, and as scientists, we always need to test and prove our ideas. And that is exactly what we're going to start doing today. So let's first of all get our scientist hats on. Got mine just here. Yep, fits pretty well, luckily. Hope yours does too. And we are going to start our fair test. How do you think I could conduct a fair test? Well, I could use all of the same plant. And so I've got 4 of the same plant. I've got 4 of these cress pots. If you want, you can try this at home if you've got 4 of the same plant as well. Otherwise, don't you worry, I'll let you know exactly what happens in our experiment here. Right, so for pot 1, it's going to be able to access water, light, and soil. You can just see the soil there at the bottom, brown bit. So I'll put that in a place where it can access all 3. For pot 2, we will have light and soil, but there will be no water for this one. For the third plant, we will have water and soil, but no light. And for the 4th one, I will be giving it water and light, but there's no soil. You can see there's no brown soil at the bottom there. So we'll have to see what happens over the next few days, the next few weeks, to see whether my prediction was correct, whether our predictions were correct, and what happens to each of these pots. I will keep you posted. But it is worth mentioning that we are doing this experiment all with cress. But what happens with these cress pots, what these cress pots need to survive, may not be the same as what other plants need to survive. So in my prediction, I think that light will be needed by the plants in order to survive, but perhaps that's not true of all plants. So I've actually got a cactus here that I was given by some penguins earlier this year, and this is a great example. Actually, this cactus did not need a lot of light to survive, because before, when I first got it, and for a long time, I put it in a very light-filled room, and it stayed about this small for all of that time. And then I moved it to a darker place, and look how much it's grown. It's grown from about this to about this in the darker place. So all plants are different. Maybe other plants need slightly different things. But what's going to happen to the cress? Well, we all have to be patient, and we will find out what happens in the next few weeks. I'll let you know. Have a good week. Bye.